Hi, I'm Ashan Uyangoda, and today let's talk about our solar system. Our solar system is mainly consisting of 8 planets, moons, our sun, and few dwarf planets. These planets are Mercury, Venus, our own planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And also, we have Pluto, the dwarf planet. Previously, Pluto was believed as a planet, but after August 2006, the International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of the Pluto to dwarf planets. Also, there is an asteroid belt in between Mars and the Jupiter. In our solar system, the planets are categorized into two: inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are innermost planets, in other words, planets which are closer to the Sun. And all of them are terrestrial planets. They have rocky and compact surface. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are inner planets. These terrestrial planets are quite smaller compared to other gas and icy giants, but larger than dwarf planets. Outer planets are planets which are far away from the Sun. They are gas giants and ice giants in the solar system. Gas giants are Jupiter and Saturn, while ice giants are Uranus and Neptune. Gas giants are the most largest planets in our solar system. They mainly contain hydrogen and helium gases. Even though they are very big, they don't have a terrestrial hard surface. They just have swirling gases around a solid core. These two inner and outer regions divided by the asteroid belt, which is situated between Mars and the Jupiter. There is another region called dwarf planet region after the planet Neptune. This also called as Kuiper belt. This contains millions of icy objects, including Pluto. Some of the objects are comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt, there is a region called Oort cloud. This region also contains millions of comets and icy objects. Oort cloud is the outermost region of the solar system, and that is in the interstellar space. You can see the region where Voyager 1 is now traveling at. Voyager 1 travels around million miles per day, but to reach to the inner boundary of the Oort cloud, it will take up to 300 years. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.